Hello, and how are you? My name is Larissa, and I am your real estate resource. I hope you are enjoying March so far. I'm personally loving these spring temps we're having, and I am feeling like spring is in the market when we look at real estate as well. So let's recap what happened in February. Good news, both sales, number of transactions, as well as sale prices have seen positive increases. So when we're looking at sales, let's start there. We're seeing increases both on an annual as well as a monthly basis. So annually being comparing February of 2023 to February of 2024, so just last month, as well looking at January of this year to February of this year, we are seeing increases in both areas. So on an annual level, we did see an increase of about 18% in terms of number of sales taking place. And then month to month, so from January to February, we're seeing a 28% increase of number of sales taking place. So last month we sat at about 5,600 sales in the GTA, whereas in January that number was below 5,000. So nice to see some trades happening, some action in the market. For a while it was quite flat. So it's nice to see more balance taking place. And then when we're looking at prices, if you look at an annual comparison, we're only up by about 1% in terms of price. But if you look at January to February, we're actually up by 8%. So that means that prices have on average come up 8%. Of course, that can be easily skewed if it's just larger properties at higher prices selling. But I do think from my own experience, there probably is an uptick in prices as we are seeing more offer dates coming to play in the market. And we are seeing a lot more buyers return and have buyer confidence coming back. Right now, we're sitting at an average price in the GTA of just about $1.1 million. Now, obviously, Bank of Canada had their announcement and they did hold the rates. This is not too surprising as a lot of people were predicting there would be another rate hold. We have another announcement taking place in April. And I do think that overall buyer confidence is coming back. Buyers are feeling more comfortable and adjusted with the rates that we have. And we are seeing the fixed rates come down quite a bit as well. So I think that this is giving some renewed confidence to those making decisions. And hopefully for sellers, if they're seeing prices are up, especially month over month, more sales are taking place, it's going to give them the confidence to also put their properties on the market too. Now, in terms of opportunities, if you are a buyer, there definitely are still opportunities out there in the resale market. It just might be things that, have been priced incorrectly, maybe don't show as well, they're not staged or they're tenanted, but there are opportunities out there depending on what pocket you're looking in. And also there's a lot of opportunities in the pre-construction sector. Pre-construction sales have definitely come down in the last year, and it's leading a lot of developers to offer incentives that are attractive to buyers, whether it be smaller deposits or, including parking or locker or capping certain fees like development fees. There definitely are a lot of incentives that are being offered. So if you're an investor, pre-construction might also be an avenue that you want to explore this year too, to take advantage of those sales. And there's just a lot happening in the market. So let me know your specific goals, desires, timelines, and then I can kind of go from there and give you some insight into what might be a good option for you. I'm more than happy to have a one-on-one discussion so that we can tailor things to your specific needs. As real estate really is not one size fits all. It is so specific, especially depending on what micro market you are interested in. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. And I'm wishing you an amazing month ahead, hopefully filled with lots of sunshine and warm temps. And summer is right around the corner. Wishing you a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.